का वो नहीं हुआ।
क्या नहीं हो? उसकी तो जिंदगी मेन कैरेक्टर थी। She was the main character. To feel the main character. She was the main character of the world. Yeah. My parents love the British history.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Every new British related show that will come on Netflix, my parents have watched it for sure.
We love the culture. We love everything.
बस ही नहीं खाली तो
नहीं क्या करूं, हस्बैंड इंडिया का मिला नहीं।
गाइस ये ब्रिज के नीचे देखो बरो मार्केट, इतना क्यूट है। छोटे छोटे टेबल्स लगे और ग्रीनरी है और ऐसे कैफेज भी है, खाने लेके ऐसा आउटडोर बैठो मस्त है। सो मेनी लोकल्स आल्सो आउट टुडे बिकॉज द वेदर इज गुड इन दिस प्लेस। वेदर इफ इट्स नॉट गुड दे ऑल स्टे इंडोर्स। See this I've seen on Instagram. Caramelized, yeah. We are in Borough Market. This is very cute and there's lots of like homemade businesses, lots of different types of chocolates, cakes, muffins, chicken, lots of burger, life-changing coffee apparently. बहुत कुछ है, बहुत cute है इधर का vibe. Guys, जिंदा lobster भी है और इधर खाने के लिए भी है। Whatever you want, whatever you want. लॉबस्टर के हाथ देखो मम्मी, अपन ने कभी लॉबस्टर क्लॉ नहीं खाया है। आई लव इन निशिकी मार्केट इन जापान आल्सो लाइक दिस ओनली, बट लाइक लॉट मोर सी फूड, लॉट मोर वेरी सी फूड हैवी जापान इज। ऐसी सेम है निशिकी मार्केट। दिस इज मोर ब्यूटिफुल विच इज रावस सी बैस।
That is sea bass.
हाँ
Wild caught, see? जो
री तो मच्छी खाता है, ये लॉबस्टर डेफिनेटली खाता है। कहाँ है बोम्बिल? This seafood paella is looking very good. I'm gonna take one plate of this. Lot of people are having this. Lot of crowd. There's a queue also, yeah. Oh, that's the queue? Yeah. Okay. बहुत अच्छा होगा ना कि इतनी लंबी लाइन है। I stood in this long queue to get the very famous viral strawberry covered chocolates from Borough Market. Let's see what the hype is about. I also got the seafood paella, which is also very viral. Market shuts at 5 o'clock. ये 10 मिनट में बंद हो जाएगा। Guys, I got the viral seafood paella and the chicken, I'm saying chocolate covered strawberries, which are so famous.
I also want to go and take this.
है ना? Let's see if they are worth the hype. बंद हो रहा था मार्केट, बस फटाफट से हम लोग ने ये ले लिए 2 चीजें। मैं लाइन में लग के ले ली। हम लोग एक रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हैं।
1 hour later.
We have come to Bond Street. It's a very famous street over here with all the shopping outlets. So there's a big booths. यहाँ पर booths है बड़ा सा, which is like a pharmacy, beauty, all of that. Walaikum salam. And there are lots of other brands also. So I want to buy clothes. Let's see what clothing brands we have. मैं बहुत कम कपड़े लाई हूँ इंडिया से ताकि I can shop in London and then we can. मेरी माँ की स्माइल आ गई because if I'm shopping, she's shopping.
No. Just you said ना कि मैं कम कपड़े लाई हूँ।
मेरे हिसाब से मैं कम
ओवरवेट था ही।
मेरा ओवरवेट नहीं था मम्मी।
हम लोग ने आधा सामान तो हमारे सूटकेस में डाल दिया।
मेरी माँ ना एक तो लेके आओ छुट्टी पे और किटकिट कितना करती है। I will shop, okay? ऑलरेडी मेरा ये ट्रिप पे थोड़ा नुकसान हो चुका है, थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान हो चुका है। बट अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं गाइस, वी जस्ट लिव। आज कितने सारे लोग हैं यूरोपियंस, हमेशा अगर धूप आ गई ना तो वो लोग भी बाहर आ जाते हैं टू सोक इन द गुड वेदर। इधर भी वोडाफोन ही चलता है। There's Abercrombie and Fitch right there. हम लोग अंदर ज़ारा जा रहे। Let's go to Zara. That's the safest in any city first. Let's go to Shadi first then, because Zara is the same every country. अब भी मैंने Zara पेरिस का भी कलेक्शन अब भी देखी थी 2 महीना पहले, तो it's fine. Zara के कपड़े मेरे पास इंडिया में भी मिल जाएंगे। Good. I've noticed a major quality difference in the Indian Zara and the Zara in abroad. There's Uniqlo, such a big Uniqlo at Bond Street and Stradivarius. Tour guide अच्छा है हमारा. I recommend. Stradi में सेल भी है. Look who is here and not even acknowledging me. Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Oh. गिरा दी चश्मा, गिरा दी हाथे के साथ। मैंने तेरे को अब भी मिली थी तो ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल नहीं लग रहा तेरे को मिल गया।
इसलिए मैं आंटी को
इतना तो मैं तमन्ना को भी नहीं मिलती हूँ, बाजू में रहती है। Look who's come. How are you?
All good. How are you? Finally.
I'm good.
मिल लिए। इसको मिलो, इसको पकड़ो थोड़ा, इसको थोड़ा जरूरत है अभी।
जरूरत है। I need you, पूजा। Yeah, I need Pooja all the time. I'm shopping. You look very nice. Guys, रोशनी। और मेरे यूके के हाथ से खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है। जो टॉप में पहन के आई थी उसकी जिप टूट गई ट्रायल रूम में। रोशनी जिप फिक्स कर रही है, तो देन आई bought a shirt that I'm wearing now. I have to build this, so again I have to build the rest of the clothes which Pooja is doing. Yes, inside this. Card. No cash. Pooja is building my other clothes here. This Forex Plus. इधर वो बिलिंग कर रही है, फिर इसमें से मैं कोई एक टॉप पहनूंगी और फिर इसकी बिलिंग करूंगी जो पहन रखा है। यूके इज नॉट सूटिंग मी, मैं वापस नहीं आऊंगी, इसलिए मैं 6 महीने का ही वीजा लगा के।
कोई नहीं, आंटी आएगी।
आंटी भी नहीं आएगी, यूके में बहुत महंगा पड़ रहा है। गाइज न्यू बैलेंस के स्टोर में आए हैं। आई वांट अ न्यू कलरवे। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर ब्लैक एंड वाइट for myself. I love this. It's so comfortable, but अभी बहुत पुराने हो गए and worn out हो गए। मैंने बहुत घिसा है इस जूतों को, so I thought I'll get new ones. Oh my god, when I see like baby shoes, I get like baby fever. So cute. Oh. I want the black and white colorway. This is black and grey, but this is also very smart. Does this look like an uncle's shoe? Reeth doesn't like New Balance. He says it's an uncle brand. It's so comfortable.
It's really comfortable.
Yeah, I told him that only once you wear it. No, now they have newer styles, but like the previous styles used to be very chunky, you know?
I bought like 10K, 15K, that's everything.
Yeah. New Balance are the most comfortable. Even Roshu is wearing New Balance. Guys, I tried these. I like the look of them. I wanted a good black and white colorway. The look is nice, but it's very hard. It's not the New Balance comfort I'm used to with my 550s. Very hard sole. इसमें वो air वो नहीं है, air foam. I think those ones will be the most comfortable, which you just asked for. Male Milap is happening, guys. मम्मी न्यू बैलेंस ले लो, तुमको भी न्यू बैलेंस लेना था ना? नहीं ले लो, बर्किनस्टॉक में उसको न्यू बैलेंस भी लेना है। Guys, these are all the ones I'm trying. Ooh, this ones I think will be very comfortable. These are 530s. पापा तुम्हारे पास कौन से 725s? These are 530s. How much are these? This is for running. This is for running. This will be comfortable. Guys, these are damn cute, huh? These are very nice. So comfy. And they look so smart. I like these. Papa, this ones I'm taking. See this? Or I'll try this also.
This is not so.
This is not comfortable. ये तो ड्रिज है.
A little later.
Mummy just bought new Adidas campus shoes and they're getting it stain proof. This is some technology. इसके अंदर डाला है मशीन के अंदर and this is scrap protect. So waterproof and stain proof हो रहा है. अपना ही जूता है ये. हाँ. UV प्रोटेक्शन जैसे सन टैन होने वाला है उसको, बट गंदे हो सकते हैं बिकॉज द मटीरियल इज स्वेड. दिस इज नॉट हर शू, हर शू इज इनसाइड. अभी थोड़ा गीला होगा ना. सो क्यूट हर शूज.
So for these shoes, what you can do?
बट तुम्हारे साफ ही है ना शू. करा. थैंक यू. Mummy, Papa and the bags are going back to the Airbnb in a taxi because ये लोग चल के अभी बहुत थक गए. मैसेज करना पहुंच के. Alright guys, we were at Bond Street and अभी मम्मी पापा को घर जाने के लिए छोड़ दिया because हम सुबह से बाहर है. यहाँ पे 9 बज गए ऑलरेडी, तो वो लोग थक भी गए. They were like, we'll go to the room and chill. So we 3 girls are going to Mercato Mayfair Market, which is like a church which is converted into a food hall. Okay, a church which is converted to a food hall. Interesting. मैंने इसकी रील देखी थी. पूजा ने इतनी सारी रील्स भेज के रखी है ना. मैं फ्लाइट में बैठे बैठे एयरपोर्ट पे ही वही देख रही थी. पूजा ने जितनी रील्स भेज के रखी थी, तो अभी एक
I keep saving because then we have to go to places.
for their social life to be alive.
Which it is. It's great. This month, all our weekends are booked. We were like, who are we? Who are we? Our weekends are booked.
Oh, look at the car, guys. Oh my god. And then this easy to deal and great value dumper truck. This is Oxford Street now. And अभी शाम हो रही है. 9 बज गए ना, तो 9 बजे इनकी रात होने लगती है.
A few inches later.
ये देखो राज भी.
अरे
We all are going for a night drive to Marine Drive.
nice. Nice, enjoy. I'm twinning with you. So many kilometers away we are twinning. Would you? It's a church converted into a food court. So cool. आज मैं पहली बार लंदन में ट्यूब अकेले ले रही हूँ, उनकी ट्रेन। मेरे ऑयस्टर कार्ड का बैलेंस भी ख़त्म हो गया था। आई जस्ट रीफिल्ड इट 11 o'clock in the night and I'm going alone in the metro. Wish me luck. It's easy, it's like Paris only. Once you learn how to do this, it's easy everywhere. I'm basically gonna take the train to Green Park and then change again for the next one, Jubilee line. इन लोग की मेट्रो कुछ ज़्यादा ही अंडरग्राउंड है, like it's crazy. Are you seeing how underground that is? पूरा नीचे जाना है आपको। एकदम ही सुनसान है ये गली, like there is no street light, nothing. So in the day it's so pretty and nice, but in the night it's kind of creepy also. I'm finding London to be very similar to New York for some reason. The style of, not the architecture, of course New York has only buildings, their architecture, but ghar ke sizes and pavements and even the dirt, like the subway is kind of dirty. It's not the cleanest subway, it is kind of dirty. And चोरियाँ मतलब जिसको भी मैं बता रही हूँ, they are like, हाँ बहुत गरीबी है देश में, बहुत चोरियाँ होती है। I'm like, लंदन कब से गरीब हो गया यार? लंदन में गरीबी है? I'm amazed at it. Like even the police station today, they were like sad, but they were not surprised because it happens so much.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It is 1 AM and I'm just going to sleep. It was a long day. इतना चलना पड़ता है यहाँ पे, तो बहुत थकान हो जाती है. It's kind of hitting me now that I lost the bracelet, and I think starting I was just in so much shock the night it happened. I was not able to accept it. But आज मैं जब वापस आई, I had a bath and everything. I was talking to Reet and I cried also, and I looked at all the footages from that morning, literally the first time we got out in London, and I think I'm 100% it happened on the tube in the metro. And I'm so surprised क्योंकि इतना crowded भी नहीं था. When we exited, there wasn't as much crowd as I've actually seen today. There wasn't that much crowd yesterday. So I'm so surprised कि something like this happened in less crowd, और मुझे feel भी नहीं हुआ because I was not distracted. I was not vlogging or anything in the metro station. Like, and my parents and Jiju were sitting in front of me और मैं इस side बैठी थी. Clasp of the bracelet is very strong, so it was not something that would have come off easily. Somebody must have like snipped it and just like taken it and gone, like that simple. And you know, it's so, what's heartbreaking to me is it's the most expensive piece of jewelry I ever got for myself. And also, I don't, y'all know me, I don't like wear 100 kilo sona every day and like roam. I'm not that person. I barely have 2 rings. Even the first ring I bought, the first diamond ring, I gave that and I bought another diamond ring. So I really believe in gold and diamonds being an investment. Like, I like to give and take something. I never buy fresh jewelry. Very rarely I will buy. Like, even these earrings that I wear, I had given the old ones and purchased new ones. Even the rings I wear, I give the old one one and buy new ones. This was the first time that I bought myself like full paisa deke I bought the bracelet. So on my, I didn't even vlog it. It was a very impulsive decision. Remember on my 8th YouTube anniversary, I was having a very bad day and I cried because of that agency का representative and I just had a very bad day. तो उस दिन पे मैं impulsively पापा के साथ jeweler के पास गई and मम्मी भी आ गए थे and then we bought tennis bracelets and it was a very impulsive thing. It is less than a month ago I got it. Less than a month ago. But you know, Joan ka sadka, I'm just gonna, it's one of those things, it's like an accident. Like you can't predict it and you can be as safe as possible and as careful, but if the samne wala person is driving badly, you'll still meet with an accident. It's one of those things. I always pack and dress according to the place I'm going to. Like if this was Norway, I didn't carry any jewelry. If this was Maldives या कोई आइलैंड तो मैं ज्वेलरी नहीं पहनती. पर ये सिटी है, इतना बड़ा शहर है, मुझे लगा अमीर सिटी है, लंदन जा रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स अपनी मतलब बेसिक ज्वेलरी तो मैं लेके जाऊंगी जो मैं नॉर्मली रोज पहनती हूँ. But clearly they are not Amir. They are not. Like when I was telling Pooja, she was like, your cost of living over here has gone very up. So चोरी अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. हमारे साथ कुछ बुरा होने वाला था और नहीं होने वाला है because ये चला गया. Then I would always rather lose a materialistic thing than something happen to us. So Alhamdulillah, I'm just gonna be grateful. And God's wish, you know, like, see, God made me buy it. It was impulsive. God made me buy it, gave me the ability to buy it. And God didn't want me to have it, so He took it away from me. It's a materialistic thing. I can't cry more over it. Inshallah, आज एक गया है. Inshallah, future में 10 आएंगे. Like, for me, I don't cry over materialistic losses because it's all God's will. It's His plan. And you know, in my head so many times I've thought कि अरे wish I wouldn't have worn it. अरे wish हम गए ही नहीं होते पहले दिन बाहर. अरे wish मैंने ना तावीज़ के पीछे डाल रखी थी ब्रेसलेट और बस उस दिन मैंने उसको आगे शिफ्ट की थी. आई विश आई वुड हैव केप्ट इट पीछे. तो मैं कितनी सारी चीजें सोच रही हूँ अपने दिमाग में कि कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, मैं ट्रेन में किसके बाजू में बैठी थी, कौन था मेरे बाजू में. इतना कुछ आई हैव थॉट. आई डिड द पुलिस कंप्लेंट, आई डिड एवरीथिंग, बट in my head I'm like, वो जाना था ना, वो ऐसे न तो ऐसे जाता ही. मतलब अगर वो लिखा हुआ है मेरी किस्मत में कि वो जाना है तो वो गया. मतलब वो कैसे ना कैसे जाता. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog. London has been a roller coaster, so to say. I really hope the city turns around. It's a beautiful city, no doubt. It's a beautiful city. It's a very dynamic city. It's crowded though, and lesson learned to never travel with jewelry, expensive jewelry, precious jewelry, and especially mummy wohi bol rahi thi, bracelets. Like bracelet is very easy to rob. So easy to rob jewelry नहीं. Like ring अगर कोई खींच के निकालेगा तो you'll come to know, but chains and bracelets is something you shouldn't travel with. So I तो usually I didn't own only ना. इससे पहले मेरे पास कभी था ही नहीं. So what I didn't own I didn't wear. अभी था तो अब मेरी मेंटालिटी ऐसी है कि अगर आपके पास है तो आप छुट्टियों पे ही पहनोगे ना. स्पेशली लाइक आई क्रिएट कंटेंट, मेरे वीडियोस वगैरह में भी अच्छा दिखता है, तो अभी मैंने खरीदा है तो मैं छुट्टी पे पहनूंगी. तो मैं उस मेंटालिटी से लाई थी. बट लेसन लर्नड, वेरी हार्ड वे lesson learned. Okay, I hope you all don't make the same mistake. I hope something like this never happens to you, and I hope you had a fabulous time watching this Travel with Sarah episode. So much more is coming for you all. London is my parents' dream destination, and we've planned this trip so many times and it's gotten cancelled also so many times. इस साल में एक बार मैंने इसकी टिकट करके कैंसिल की थी, because I had to go to Cannes. We cancelled the London trip and then we like rescheduled for now. So London में ही मेरा बहुत नुकसान हुआ है multiple times, so to say. But now we're finally here, we're living the life and I'm grateful to be here. Alhamdulillah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember a big thumbs up for your Sasosha goes to Anjali Gehlot. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Sasosha, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also you comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and just part of my next video, Sarah Squad Shorter. As is based on you. Bye guys, love you.